Hey there, welcome to O Slots. Beth just got approved. She linked her bank account finally. It finally got approved. And this is what it looks like. We received an email today and this morning, and it showed up. I mean, we're linked up. Now we can withdraw our redeemable sweep coins, which have been converted to cash. So I'm recording Beth doing her redeem. So here she is. She's hovering over the redeemable sweep coins. There's 940.91. So now she's going to go over to these three lines here at the top corner, right top corner. Click on them and go down to redeem. You can see there's a green check mark in there because we have coins to redeem. And here we are at the first page, sweepstakes prize redemption, 940.91 sweep coins. You can choose gift cards or you can choose a cash prize. She's going to choose the cash prize. Takes you to the next page. Now you want to type in how much you want to withdraw. So I guess you could withdraw 100, 500, whatever you want. We're going to withdraw the whole amount. She's going to click on next. Oh yeah, and the money comes in USD, which is cool for us because converted to Canadian, that's about 12 or $1,300. And we're going to send it to our bank account that we just linked. Hit continue. It says your prize will be sent to the following 940.91 to your bank account. Click on redeem. Now, consistent with Canadian laws, you are required to correctly answer a skill-based question to be eligible to receive a prize. It never ends. There's always a hoop to jump through. So Beth's going to do the math here, and then she's going to put the answer in. She's just making sure because she doesn't want to make a mistake. Now she's going to click submit, and your sweepstakes cash prize redemption it's been sent to our is going to be sent to our bank. And she received this email that it went through, and it could take up to 14 days for the to process the request. I'll tell you, it wasn't an easy feat getting her bank account linked to Chumba. I think it took about 9 tries, and it's just because when they would email you back, they wouldn't give you a precise reason what it was. It was all like a generic jargon, just saying, well, you have to do this, this, and the other. And there's like 3 or 4 different ways of doing it. You could send in a bank statement, a void check, um, a direct deposit form. I think there was something else, and it just kept failing all the time. And it's because I think with the void check, it doesn't have like a date on it or anything. Like everything's online nowadays, right? And I think she wrote down the dates and she wrote down void on it, and you can't do that. So everything has to be exactly how it comes from your account. So she did the bank statement before a couple times. And then the second last time, they sent us an email and it said exactly what we need to do. It had to be dated and it had to show the address. So I'm like, okay. So I said, let's do it this way. So we went got another bank statement and it had the date at the top for a certain month and all that because you have to send a bank statement that is no older than 6 months old. It has to be within the last 6 months. It also had to show the address. And it says there, it says address. It doesn't say your address or your bank address, but we kept switching it back and forth. And I guess we just had it wrong in the wrong times, the wrong places. So we put Beth put her address and the bank statement date, and everything went through. As you saw, we got that email. And now she's hooked up. So now she will be able to redeem that cash to the bank account. Don't give up. Keep trying on those when it comes time to link your bank account to Chumba. Keep trying. It took us many tries. Some people get it on the first time. I don't know, maybe it was us, maybe it was nerves, not understanding everything completely. I don't know. But yeah, it's done now. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.